everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone screen not rotating. Guarantee that your iPhone screen orientation after upgrading to iOS 17 is functioning appropriately. You can hold the device in either direction, vertical or horizontal, and check for the change in position. There are few applications as well as contents that only function on single screen orientation. For instance, few applications operate just in portrait mode, while a few are capable of working in both portrait and landscape mode. However, if the home screen, apps and the other contents are not functioning even after rotating the device, then it is a different story. In this video, I will tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is verifying the display zoom factor. You can check the display zoom feature on the device. If it is on, then it will interfere with the rotation on the screen. When the iPhone fails to display even after turning it sideways, for this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on display and brightness feature. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Under the display and brightness option, click the display zoom. Tap on the view option to check whether the display zoom is on or off. If the option is in the status of zoom condition, then opt for the standard option to turn off it, and then click on the set button to save the changes. After completion, the phone will restart in the standard mode and you are done. And the next step is rebooting iPhone. For this, pressing quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off. Then wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. I hope this solution will be helpful to you. Feel free to leave comments or your questions below if you have any. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.